Let's start. Today we will see how to pick an image and multiple images from the gallery in Java Android. Let's see the project structure. We have mentioned the read external storage permission in the manifest file. Here we have the main activity and a permission manager class. And in the UI we have the activity_main.xml file, which is the layout of the main activity. Let's see the UI. Here we have an image view, and two buttons, pick an image from the gallery and pick multiple images from the gallery. Let's see the code. The constraint layout is the root layout. This is the image view. This is the pick image from the gallery button. This is the pick multiple images from the gallery button. Let's see the Java code now. In one of our previous videos, we have seen the working of the permissions manager class, so we will not repeat that part here again. The link to that video tutorial is mentioned in the description. These are the imports. This is the main activity. These are the data members. In the onCreate function, first, we create an instance of the permissions manager class. When the pick image from the gallery button is clicked, first we check if the storage permission has been granted by the user or not. If the permission is not granted, we ask for the permission. If the permission is already granted, we call the pick a single image from the gallery function. When the pick multiple images from the gallery button is clicked, first we check if the storage permission has been granted by the user or not. If the permission is not granted, we ask for the permission. If the permission is already granted, we call the pick multiple images from the gallery function. These are the pick a single image from the gallery, and pick multiple images from the gallery functions. When the user picks an image or multiple images, then the app flow comes to this onActivityResult function. Here we check if the request code and response code are okay or not. And accordingly, we capture and show the single picked image in the image view like this. And capture the multiple picked images like this, show the first image among them in the image view, and show every image's name in the log as proof. The onRequestPermissionsResult function handles the user permissions. When the user grants the permissions for the first time, the app flow comes here, and as the permission has been granted, we call the pick a single image from the gallery function and pick multiple images from the gallery function. Let's run the app. So that's it. That's how you can pick a single image and multiple images from the gallery in Java Android. Thanks for watching.